Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make table in Microsoft Word. Tables are a very important tool for organizing and presenting data in a structured way. By using tables, you can easily organize information in neat columns and rows, making the data easier to read and understand. In addition, tables also help improve the readability and overall appearance of documents, especially in Word documents, because the information presented becomes more organized and professional. Tables are very useful for various purposes, such as compiling reports, analyzing data, or conveying important information concisely but clearly. So how to make table in Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, please open Microsoft Word on your computer. Then place the position on the Word page, which will be made into a table. Next, in the menu above, tab Insert. Then select the Table menu, and the Table menu will appear down. Move the cursor up the grid to select the number of rows and columns of your table. After you position the cursor on the desired number of columns and rows, left-click to insert the table. However, the grid only provides 10 columns and 10 lines. So what if we need more than 10 columns and 10 lines? Don't worry. You can see in this second way, the method is to click Insert again. Tap the Table menu. Then tap the Table Insert, then a menu box will appear to input the number of columns and tables desired. For example, here I need 20 columns and need 15 rows. After entering the number of columns and tables. The third way, namely for tables with special shapes and sizes. The method is to click Insert again. Tap the Table menu. Then tab the Draw Table menu. And the cursor will change to a pencil. Click and drag the table frame according to the size of the table you want. Release the mouse button to create a table. So, those are some examples of how to create a table in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.